Okay, by now you've heard about exponents or powers. Sometimes teachers talk about powers, sometimes they talk about exponents. What we're referring to is this little number here at the top. Okay? The base is this number. Whatever number stands there is the base, and whatever number stands here is the power or the exponent. In this particular example, this is 2 times by itself 5 times over, because it's a 5 in the exponent. Okay? So it looks like that, and you would come to an answer. It's 2 times by itself 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 has been times by itself. So let's just look at the terminology here now. 2 is called the base, and 5 is called the exponent in this particular example. Let's look at this example. Our base is 3, our exponent is 4. So what does that represent? It represents 3 multiplied by itself 4 times, which would come to 81. And that 3 is the base, and the 4 is the exponent. Last example in this lecture. What does this represent? 3 is the base, and the exponent is also 3. So it's 3 times itself 3 times, which would come to 27. And that's the base, is the 3 at the bottom, and the exponent is the 3 at the top. Okay, we're going to work with these exponents in the next lecture, and I'll see you there. Please press subscribe at the bottom of underneath my screen on my subscribe button, so that you can also follow me. I have many lectures, and I try to help you kids at home.